I'm Judi and welcome to today's session. Today I'm going to be taking you through a real life colour correction scenario that I have completed on Indy, who you might remember from a couple of weeks ago. So I've just put into practice a couple of the things that we've gone through over the last few weeks with Indy's hair. You might remember that Indy was, we did a FaceTime consultation with her, and Indy's hair was quite brassy. So the goal for Indy's hair was to look at the underlying warmth and decide what I was going to actually do with that, because with underlying warmth I've got two choices. I can either enhance it or I can counteract or neutralize it. So I've actually kind of chosen to do both in this scenario. So we started off with, as you can see by the image, we started off with our before picture, and Indy's natural colour is matched up to a 701. She had matched up to a 7484 on her crown, top sort of layer, where she had her previous colour, which was quite brassy, and then she sort of moved down into an 8393 on the ends. So there was a lot of warmth through her hair. What I chose to do to work with Indy's hair and also work within the options that I had available that suited her budget requirements, because she's now in a different stage than she was prior to coronavirus with having lost her job. So I decided that if she was a client, I would definitely take that into consideration and make sure that I'm offering her something that's going to be something that she loves but also meets those criteria. So here's what I did. I did some face framing around the front hairline of her hair. And with her face framing, I actually alternated the face framing with one foil being an ultralift bleach. So I used my 10 grams ultralift bleach, 10 grams of my clay, and 30 grams of 3% Tenvol, because I just wanted a beautiful, nice, gentle lightness around her hairline. And I also alternated that with a fashion shade, because again, I'm working on making my colours very bespoke and very personalised, and I want Indy to always know that she's going to get beautiful bespoke colour work coming to me. So with her second alternating colour that I put in there with her powder lightener, I actually used 10 grams of 1121, 6 grams of 6.45, 4 grams of 6.4, and I used 2 P's of our violet concentrate in there as well. Then from there, I did a root stretch, and with the root stretch, I have wanted to kind of really work on counteracting and toning down that real copper that I had sort of through the top section of her hair, that crown and the exposed layer of her hair, the interior. So what I did there was I actually used a root stretch application that I took down a fair way and then sort of combed it down to make sure that it was blended through. And with that root stretch, I used 20 grams of 7.1, 20 grams of 6.11, 20 grams of 721. I used 8 grams of slate concentrate in there, and I also used 2 grams of 5522. And that's given me, I've mixed that in with my hybrid lotion and also my hybrid converter, and I've just taken that through and then blended into that my toner that I've taken through mid-lengths and ends. The toner I took through mid-lengths and ends was 40 grams of 9.2. I've mixed in 10 grams of 5562, 6 grams of violet concentrate, 4 grams of 565, and 20 grams of clear. I've mixed that also with my hybrid lotion and also my hybrid converter, and I've taken that through, blending it through where it's met the root stretch, and taken that down through her mid-lengths and ends. I've processed all of that for 20 minutes and achieved a beautiful result where I've counteracted and also enhanced all in one sitting. And here we have the final result for Indy. So you can see that it's quite a transformation from the grassiness that we had at the root area through to the lightness that we had through the mid-lengths and ends of her hair. What we've done is with the face framing of the alternating of the fashion shade and our paddle line throughout the hairline, just giving her that beautiful lightness throughout her hairlines that will just brightens up her face. And then over the top of that, we've done our root stretch toner, as well as that blending into our beautiful soft pink fashion toner for her. So what we've done here is we've counteracted, because with underlying warmth, I've got my two choices, and that is I can either neutralize it or I can enhance it. So I've done both here, and I've got my cool result, and then I've used my underlying warmth with my copper that I had through the hair, that warmth, and I've just enhanced that by adding some pink to it as well. So a really great before and after, and I'll post the photos of before and after there as well. The other important part of the service that's really important to recommend is the home care recommended retail. So the way that I do that is I like to actually, while my colour is processing, I will actually go and I will collect the recommended retail, and I will put it in front of my clients at the processing time while they're in the chair, and it gives me an opportunity while we're finishing off to have the conversation about the home care and the products that I think are going to be absolutely spot on for them and their particular scenario. So I have a table that's eye height. It all happens in the chair. It doesn't happen when they're out of the chair or at the front desk. It happens here at the chair, and it's all part of the service before the cape comes off, because I know as soon as that cape comes off, Indy's up and out the door. So that's how I like to do it here. So isn't it a great feeling to actually know that, you know, it's though that's what we live for, those before and afters, where you know, someone like Indy has not been enjoying her hair, and now she's absolutely in love with her hair, and it's the greatest feeling in the world. It's what we've missed while we haven't been working, and I know it's what you're missing when you're at home in isolation still, for those of our Muk family that are still in isolation, and our hearts are with you. One thing that with making the home recommendation to Indy, and understanding that she's not in a position to be able to take home the retail that's offered to her, this is where our affiliate program that we're running here in Australia is absolutely coming into its own. So what I can do with my affiliate program is I can actually, I have my, as a salon owner, I have my sales rep come in to see me in the salon. They let me know about the affiliate program, or via phone, however they're working, they are letting me know about it. All I need to do as a salon owner is say, yes, I want to be part of that. They then will pass my details on to Muk Marketing, Tess in Muk Marketing, and Tess will sign me up for it. I'll receive via email all the information that I need that incorporates my unique salon URL. That means that I can pass that out to my clients, and it means that I then, through my recommendation and through them purchasing through my unique URL, I then am actually able to earn a 20% commission on anything that's purchased by my unique URL. So it's an amazing program that we've put together to really support salons and help them with their retail business. Another amazing idea that Stacey, who is our guest, who is our educator, who is based in Sydney, and Stacey also runs a very successful hairdressing salon as well, and this was her idea, and I think it's just absolutely brilliant, where anyone that doesn't take home their retail, she actually is taking a photo on her phone of the retail that she's recommending, and she is then sending that to them as a follow-up in a week or two with a message, supplying them with her unique URL, and just letting them know as a follow-up service the recommended home care that is appropriate for them. I think that's a fantastic idea, And not only is she finding that people are purchasing via the affiliate program, because she's also, letting them know that she really values their support, and by them supporting her business and purchasing their shampoo or conditioner through her, it's a way that they are really helping her out. And people are looking for ways that they can help out local businesses at the moment, and this is definitely a way that they can help out you in your salon. So I think that's a really brilliant idea. It's also increased her customers coming to her salon to actually purchase their retail. So in-salon purchases and affiliate purchases are working hand in hand for Stacey, and I think that's a really fantastic example of a way to utilise the affiliate program most effectively. So I hope that gives you some ideas on some ways that you can formulate bespoke colour for your clients, but also make sure that you're utilising the affiliate program to its maximum to make sure that it's really giving you that extra helping hand at the moment in your business. So I hope that's been helpful for you today, and until next time, stay safe, wash your hands, and see you soon.